For the sleeping meditation, you need to feel sleepy. So normally what we think, these are the tired, boredom, dull, are useless, right? But now you can make friends with them, and they are become quite beneficial for the meditation. First, I will do demonstration. Okay. So I will do one drama. Okay. So first, maybe relax your body, relax your mind, close your eyes. Me, not you, okay? Now you just look at me. And when you relax, sometimes you feel sleepiness. If you are lucky, so let's see, what do I feel now? I feel relaxed. Let everything drop and just be. Now I'm feeling a little bit sleepy. So be aware of sleepiness or tired, boredom, whatever. Continue to be aware. So, what will happen is, if you continue to maintain the awareness with the sleepiness, dullness, whatever feeling, and the sleep will come. A little bit alert, a little bit feel sleepy, a little bit alert, continue to aware. In the end, you fall into sleep. The moment of when you fall into sleep, the sleep will catch the awareness, the meditation. And then all the sleep become meditation. So if you sleep 1 hour, you're meditating 1 hour. How nice, right? But first you're aware. The moment of sleep, if your mind go to the pizza, then the sleep doesn't catch the meditative state of mind. And that is become normal state, normal sleep.